Hi, I'm Miss Brittany and welcome to this month's Giving Craft. For those of you who don't know, the Giving Craft is a program that we do once a month where we do a craft project that is donated to a local organization. This month we are making Mondrian hearts, which is a fancy way of saying a really cool heart. Now, and you can donate it to the library, as we are still collecting hearts, or you can give it to a family member, a friend, a neighbor, or a relative who lives far away. Just a way to remind them that you care, that you haven't forgotten them. For this craft, you're going to need a couple of things. A blank piece of paper or one of the templates that will be provided, a pencil, a ruler, colored pencils, crayons, markers, or paint, scissors, glue, paper of any color, and black tape if you want it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your blank piece of paper and you're going to draw a heart. Now if you're using one of the templates we've already provided, this step is already done for you. Once your heart is drawn, you are going to start drawing lines. Now you're going to take your ruler and your pencil and you're going to draw shapes within your heart. Now you can do this however you want. You can make curved lines, circular lines, squiggly lines. You can make circles, triangles, ovals. You can make whatever you want. It should be as unique as you are. Once you've got all your shapes put in, it should look something like this, or however you wanted it to look. Now and we have provided a template that does have lines added to it if you want. So again, this step could already be done for you. Next, we are going to decorate it. Now I have already started on one, so I'm not going to make you watch me color. But you can color it however you want. You can use whatever colors you want. You want to make it as unique as you. Again, you can use paint, crayons, colored pencils, markers, whatever strikes your fancy. Once it is decorated to how you want, there's a couple of ways you can proceed. You see all this white space around your heart? You could decide, you know what, I have an idea for that. So you could take your ruler and your pencil and you could draw more shapes in the white space around your heart. And that could be your heart completely. Or you could take your pair of scissors and you could cut out your heart. If you decide to cut out your heart, you can place it on black or any colored piece of paper and cut around it and create a border. You could just glue it to the piece of paper and have that be your project. You could take black tape or a marker or paint and make your lines darker and thicker so that they're more noticeable. Whatever you want to do, that is what we want to see. Once you're done and have your heart how you want it, give it to someone that you love. Whether that's a friend, a family member, or a neighbor, just to remind them that you care. Or you can bring it back to the library and put it in our green and yellow box that we have near the hold shelves. We're always looking for hearts to donate around the community. Thanks for joining me. Bye.